Hi guys, Mara from the Stir Fraction channel here. I just wanted to say thanks for 20 subscribers. Please subscribe so we can make merch and have ads. Please like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell to get notified when we post a video. Also, please share and comment. Thanks. Bye. Enjoy the show. Okay guys, one quick reminder I just wanted to say, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the post notification bell ding to get notified every time I post a video just like this one. And also, don't forget to share and comment. Enjoy the show. Peace. We out. Bye. Today, we're answering the question the world has been wanting to know forever. Who makes the best fast food chicken sandwich? It's been a long time, but we're back and we're ready to wrap, so let's go. Yeah. We are doing chicken sandwich time, so you made some new columns, it's okay. Anyways, so these are what our score sheets look like. They look very different. These are the French fry sheets, so we changed it up a little bit because it got really messy and out of order. So we'll be going to Chick-Fil-A, McDonald's, Wendy's, and DQ / Dairy Queen. So we'll be rating the wrapping / box 1 out of 3. Deluxe 1 out of 5. The toppings 1 out of 5. The seasoning 1 out of 5. The sauce 1 out of 5. Yeah, 1 out of 3. The taste 1 out of 15, and the total 6 is the lowest and 36 is the highest. Yep. So before you watch the video, comment below who do you guys think is gonna win, and also who do you guys think has the best fries? Chicken sandwich. Sorry. Fries. But we might say fries a lot, so it's okay. Just bear with us.
Yeah, bear with us.
So who do you think is gonna win?
I'm gonna go Chick-Fil-A.
I think Chick-Fil-A is gonna win. I'm gonna do my ratings. I'm gonna say McDonald's, Arby's, Wendy's, Dairy Queen, then Chick-Fil-A.
Okay, that makes sense. Well, I'm gonna do mine. So McDonald's, Dairy Queen, Wendy's, Arby's, and Chick-Fil-A.
Oh, so our dad's not really gonna do the early predictions, but we know he's probably gonna say Chick-Fil-A. But who you guys think?
You can say who he thinks before he eats the chicken sandwich.
And so we will see you guys with the challenge. Birds. This is the Chick-Fil-A food right here. Chick-Fil-A. So, I'm sure you guys chicken sandwich once our dad is ready to unbox. So yeah. Alright guys, we're here at the Who Makes the Best Chick-Fil-A sandwich. Now, a quick disclaimer: we did open the bag first just to make sure there's no hair or anything in it. I know Chick-Fil-A, they wouldn't do that, but there is some words on the back, so we're gonna read these right now. Chick-Fil-A, a real classic, and a little picture of a chicken sandwich right there. This no antibiotics ever. Boneless chicken breast is freshly breaded and cooked in 100% refined peanut oil. And here's our chicken sandwich, wrapper. So we're gonna open this box up. There's our chicken sandwich in there.
So please pull it in the bag.
I'm pulling it out.
Yes.
Oh, it's buttery biscuit. Ooh. And this is our chicken sandwich.
Ooh, that's good.
That's a buttery bun.
They do have a little butter on their buns.
You need to get paper towels. It's really buttery.
Well,
Hands are like butter.
Oh,
and also, guys, can I show up the sauces?
We show the sauces.
Okay, guys, so we have, this is called the barbecue sauce. We also have some honey mustard, but we could show the honey mustard.
Chicken sandwich.
So this is the zesty buffalo.
So now I can taste the chicken sandwich.
I'm gonna take these over. This is the honey mustard. We're not gonna try this, but this is the honey mustard for Mom. We have the Chick-Fil-A sauce, one of the best sauces at Chick-Fil-A. Chick-Fil-A sauce. And we also have the Gordon Herb Ranch sauce.
Okay.
So those are our sauces.
So everybody has a piece. You don't have the pickle like that.
Where's that pickle?
That's pickle.
I want to taste a little bit plain first.
Yeah, pickle. See.
It's a good pickle.
Okay. So we're gonna, let's ask my
I'm
start.
liking that pickle.
Chick-Fil-A sauce in the middle for everybody, but let's try the Chick-Fil-A sauce. Like,
I can't.
what sauce you can do? I do test the buffalo sauce.
I'm trying buffalo.
Okay, so the wrapper test the box, and it's
Stop! I have a pencil.
right under this beautiful plate. Okay, so
What's
The wrapping. The
Okay,
wrapping.
2.2.
what's this toppings?
Stop, Pickle.
That is like the that's like the outside.
Well, I don't know what the score is supposed to be. I can't read your writing.
For what?
I have looks and toppings. What's toppings supposed to
I have 5. You have to taste it, you'll know.
Wrapping is
You need to do this. So looks. I'm gonna look at the sandwich. I mean,
Pretty
Great.
white chicken. I'm liking that looks. I'm gonna give that 4.
give it a
Pretty
little
good.
taste before.
topping. I need to try it.
It's
So
just
fine.
okay. I'll try a topping. Let's see what it tastes like. I don't have a sauce.
You gonna taste the plain first or no?
Ew.
Let's go.
Ew.
Yeah, I'm not doing that food. I'm not doing that food in half. So you're laughing.
What is
Yeah,
that? It's not a
dip that
pickle.
No, I'll take a little flop.
3, I guess. You're seasoning them too. No seasoning at all. Sauce.
That was seasoning. You're crazy. That's good seasoning.
I'm gonna try the buffalo.
Good
Already
boys,
bit out
I
of the
think, yeah.
sandwich
Ooh.
though.
Nice though.
Already bit out of the sandwich though.
Pull it in plate.
Well, of course it's not touching the buffalo, so. Oh, yeah, I can pour buffalo in here.
I'll pour some buffalo.
No, be careful. That's gonna. Okay,
This thing's all open. This is the most like awkward sauce.
Yeah, you poured on the wrong side.
I'm gonna have a little more chicken.
Try out some
sandwich.
buffalo. I'm gonna try this.
Now it's gonna be a
guys.
mess.
Some buffalo sauce.
Sauce bad.
It's like a jalapeno.
Too hot for you.
Why does that exist?
Well, why does that exist? Because people like spicy food. People like buffalo wings.
So you do not like it.
That's okay.
It's very spicy.
Oh my gosh.
It's spicy.
There's some barbecue,
Oh man.
and then somebody wants some Chick-Fil-A sauce.
I'm gonna try my ranch too. Oh my god, Chick-fil-A sauce!
I don't know.
Chick-fil-A sauce.
I'm trying to get Chick-Fil-A sauce.
I'll try Chick-fil-A sauce first, guys.
Guys, I have a piece of sandwich with my Chick-fil-A sauce.
Okay, hang on.
That buffalo is spicy. It's good though.
Well,
Buffalo's in milk.
well, what do you my seasoning for real quick before I move on?
Take that.
Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I'm just gonna dip that from the side that.
Okay, fine.
So,
Are you trying the buffalo or no?
no.
It tastes like barbecue. That's the worst sides of Chick-fil-A.
Then what do you give it then?
It's a 1, bro. Chick-fil-A is a 1 out of 10. That Chick-fil-A sauce is 1 out of 10. That's terrible.
But well, the rating for the other chicken sandwich is 3.
I'm saying that one.
Okay. Well, you gotta call it her.
I'm trying to garden. Sorry, if I can talk.
I just have
garden
Chick-fil-A
her
sauce,
ranch.
so if I need a
You
little more
like
sandwich.
barbecue? You'll like that. That's pure barbecue right there.
Yeah, but it has a lot. It has more sugar than that. That's barbecue.
So it's garden her
Garden
ranch.
herb ranch.
It's the best.
I need a little more sandwich. I had, but with the classic Chick-fil-A sauce.
Let's go.
I need a little more plates.
Well, you're going to pour that on your plate.
What stinks, man.
And the final score is 24.5.
Yeah, I forgot. Man.
My score is 24.5. I want a little more sandwich with my ranch, please. So guys,
Oh, flock, man. I'm just oh.
what does it taste like?
Rubber.
You say rubber. You say everything tastes like rubber now. It's like your new thing.
Okay, guys. So my final score for Chick-fil-A is a 24 and a half or 24.5.
So,
One more taste.
What's this taste?
13.
What's this
15,
taste called now?
15.
15?
I'm 15.
And that's what I told was the last column? Okay.
It's 26.7 out of 36.
I got a 24.5.
I got 27.
Yeah, but I liked it a lot. That was
Yeah.
pretty good.
gotta go. So peace, guys. Bye bye. That's because I gotta go to my bye bye, guys. See ya. The Golden Arches. Yes, we have the Deluxe crispy chicken from McDonald's, the Golden Arches. So we're gonna open. This is actually a box, guys. This is not the wrapper like you normally see on chicken sandwich. Hallelujah. We have lettuce, tomato. Let me open the bun up. There you go, guys. How's the toast? I don't see any pickles in there. Then just some chicken and some bread and some lettuce and some tomato. So there's chicken sandwich, guys. So we decided not to do the McChicken because it's a little too cheap and it's not really fair to our competitors. So yes, I'm gonna have to have Hidden Valley Ranch. It's not sponsored by Hidden Valley, but I'm gonna have to have that because we don't have a tolerance.
Because last time we did.
So I don't hold up. Yeah. Guys, so this is the tangy BBQ, aka barbecue sauce, guys.
Yeah, they're gonna give us for free, so we have.
I will be having the Hidden Valley Ranch dressing right here, guys. So.
Pencils for everybody.
Why is there chicken on the side?
It's not chicken, it's pork.
That's bun. You don't have to eat that if you don't want that part. You just go with this
Guys, I didn't get any lettuce, so I got a little bit. This is my chicken sandwich right there.
And if you don't like them, sauces as well.
I gotta take out my Invisalign.
First, though.
I'll take out my Invisalign.
Well, I'm gonna cancel that by doing that.
I have no case, so we have to go upstairs.
I'm gonna pencil passed out. Anyways, the people. I got them, that's what I'm doing right now. So, that's what I'm gonna the chicken right now.
Am I supposed to start now or wait?
Just to wait. Guys, so the audio is much better because I know the light's back, so I took help us.
Just because our rappers bad.
So we got the chicken, the barbecue chicken.
There's no pickles, King.
Well,
Oh yeah, you're saying that for Wendy's one.
But I'm not talking about the other reason said no pickles.
Okay, guys, so this is.
Good.
Oh, Dad, would you please pour me some in the Valley Ranch?
You know
So
that.
the wrapping slash box. I'm gonna give the wrapping slash box. It's
2.5.
2.5. I'm gonna give it a 1.5.
2.5. I mean, it's a box. I kind of like the way the box is. I mean, it's a box.
Deluxe. I'll give the Deluxe R3. Not bad.
I've got a little lettuce, but
The toppings. Very good
2.5,
toppings.
yeah.
Lettuce, tomato.
I like bodies on
Lettuce
taste toppings. Not bad.
I'm gonna taste the chicken sandwich, guys.
Not bad. Back is pretty good. With my chicken. Yummy chicken, lots of tomato. Yummy tomato. I'm gonna love my score to 2, but then I have to taste that tomato at the end. Good sandwich for all.
That tomato gives the juiciness it needs.
But yeah, I'm gonna try it again.
Oh my gosh, that chicken. Oh, oh my god. The topping. The toppings are 3. That's so
I'll tell you what, that is a good chicken sandwich. I will definitely
you
say.
think?
That's good taste.
Sauce.
You think I'll give you a 3? What else do you for?
The sauce?
Sauce.
Not bad with the sauce. I prefer plain.
Okay, well, we gotta have a little thing BBQ.
Sauce is a 1.5.
Little sauce.
The taste. I'm sorry. This is a 13. This is better than Chick-Fil-A. This is better than Chick-Fil-A.
Just pour it on your plate.
This is better than Chick-Fil-A.
Unbelievable. I'm shocked, Tim.
Unbelievable. It's good, I have to
Oh
say.
my god.
I'm gonna have to barbecue tangy.
I gave it the wrong score. 13.
That's James over. I'm gonna give it 1.5.
It's so good.
I had a tie with Chick-Fil-A.
That's good.
Just slightly less on the taste, but I'll tell you what, I like the lettuce and tomato on there better than those pickles.
9.5. 11. 13.
The last one was 26.11. And 26.1.
I got 0.5 difference. McDonald's is a 0.5 behind.
I need a little more cinnamon so I can get the taste it.
You need a little more piece?
Maybe one more serious. That's the. It's a 0.5. It's a half of a point behind Chick-Fil-A.
That's shocking. That's how I thought McDonald's like this.
I had a
Because
tie.
we thought we were going to have chicken.
You have to sauce those stuff.
I had sauce.
That has to be.
I'll give the sauce the same score.
Okay. Sauce is 1.5.
No, I'm not rating sauces really in my chicken sandwich.
I love the tomato, man. I'm gonna put it in so that way I can have the tomato with my sandwich. That's what you have it.
McDonald's buttermilk chicken sandwich.
Good milk twist.
Pretty good.
Hey guys, so now we're gonna do the Wendy's classic chicken sandwich. This is not any chicken sandwich from Wendy's. It's the classic chicken sandwich from Wendy's.
I'll give you 11. Pretty good taste, not gonna lie. You did have the score.
Established in 1969. So guys, we have Wendy's. This is the classic chicken sandwich right here. Our dad looked inside just so we know which one's which.
We can
do that in a second.
There's the chicken sandwich.
The sauce is better than
Let's see. Here. No pickles.
No pickles?
Nope.
No.
Lettuce, tomato. Oh, there they are. There's the pickles under the bun.
That's good premium.
That's so premium.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that's so premium.
That's premium.
It is tomato,
So-
lettuce, pickle, chicken, and
a
a bottom and top bun. That looks so good. Oh, can we show the sauces, guys? Want to show the sauces before we start, guys? Come on, show the sauces. So this is BBQ sauce, is barbecue sauce. That's what the back look like. We like your sauce. You're welcome. This is the buttermilk ranch sauce. There's what it looks like.
The McDonald's love with tomato. That's a tomato.
Wendy's is a giant tomato.
Yeah.
That looks premium though. Wow, the wrapping. I like the wrapping color, so I'm gonna give the wrapping.
It's not like the back I expected for Wendy's.
Give me a bigger
That's
piece.
I
good.
have pickle.
You don't?
Hey, you got a little
I have
bit.
a little bit.
We'll
Okay,
try a
boy.
little pickle plain.
Well, here, I can do that for a piece.
Pickle.
That is the best pickle I've ever tasted in my life.
Seriously, you're serious. Pickle smells good, man. I mean, I'll get the wrapping. We'll give it 2 this time.
That's what I gave it.
I give it 2.
Look.
So look, that is a premium.
3. That was 3, bro.
I can give more 5.
Topping. I got
That's the best
tasted.
of
I got
all.
tasted to see what the toppings are.
Exactly. I got taste it. That looks really good. Yeah, I'm not lying.
This is not enormous.
Alright. Topping. 3. 3.5.
Yeah, I don't like the bun. It gets stuck to my mouth.
Yeah, I'm stuck in my mouth too.
I know.
Too soft, huh?
Most too soft.
Topping is a 3. That was a good topping. Seasoning. That is.
I'm gonna have one out of it. They're gonna.
Seasonings are 2. Very good. Sauce. Oh my gosh, this is so good. Like, who didn't? Who? Don't count Wendy's out, guys, because they're.
I give that 3 as well. Pretty good. That's the wrong ranch, just in case you didn't know.
Oh, I just realized that.
I'm leaving the Arby one with a chicken tender.
I dipped in the wrong ranch, so that doesn't count.
No,
Yeah, we did put dope on the ramp.
because we got out of the ranch.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh, that's.
What do you got?
It's scoring. It's definitely scoring now. Oh, I did not open it, but I'm going to play anyways. It's okay. I have that barbecue in my hand. That's a little
That's a
Wendy's
pickle.
barbecue. I have a whole bunch of muscle like that off right there. There you go. Until the bun not gonna pop my mouth, so. Oh,
That
there's lettuce right
lettuce
here.
is really crunchy.
There's left your lettuce, so.
It's a bad sauce.
Okay.
1.3 for the sauce. That is not
You don't like the sauce this time?
So,
I think it was good. I don't think it was quite as good actually as that McDonald's. I kind of like
That's the
McDonald's.
best taste.
Dawn sauce is not good.
I don't think they said as much seasoning.
I'm sorry, McDonald's, but
And it's just
Wendy's.
wrapped too. It
I'm
wasn't on
sorry.
a box, you know, the
I'm
box.
sorry,
sauce.
but Wendy's gonna have to have a 14 for the taste, but the highest taste
That's good.
is so good.
Wow, you really
You
like
like
that
the
too.
topping. I'm
Wow.
gonna try it. Hey, let me see.
5.
That's
Eight.
amazing.
Well, pretty good.
12 minutes.
25.3.
Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Everyone's gonna eat some dinner, guys. We're gonna be back with peace, guys. Today, we have a special announcement for all the Stir for Action channel viewers. Also, before we have the announcement, comment below if you're excited. Please like and subscribe and turn on the bell. And we're gonna say the announcement. This is a super good announcement. You guys are gonna be blown when you see this. McDonald's has released their new 3 chicken sandwiches. They have released the Buttermilk crispy chicken sandwich with pickles. We'll be trying that today. And they also have released the original Deluxe, which is like we have the Wendy's, lettuce, tomato, and pickles, and the spicy Deluxe as well. Those are 3 new chicken sandwiches from McDonald's, and we'll be seeing what the pickle one tastes like. I have had it before. It's not bad. They only put 2 pickles on it, not much. Need some more flavor. If you're out there and you work at McDonald's, please add some more pickles. I mean, like, it's not a flavor. But actually, we can come out. So we're coming out, guys. We're filming right now. Alright, guys. So this is the bag for McDonald's right here. There's actually 2 bags. 2 bags. I'm sorry. I said that wrong. I'm sorry. There's actually 2 bags, not 1. And yeah. So we will see you guys with the chicken sandwich. Alright guys, so we have the McDonald's chicken sandwich here. So can we open it? We'll show them what it looks like. So it's crispy and it says do not microwave. Yes. Don't but in the bag. Like you can microwave it, but just the chicken sandwich in there. So Dad, please take out the chicken sandwich. We're washing our hands after this, so try to kind of hold it up.
Flop out. Be a small
so this is the chicken sandwich. Ooh, I don't want to drop it. There's the pickles right there.
Okay.
There's our.
I'm feeling the pot, to the pot. It's pretty good.
I already took out my Invisalign, so okay. I also got Deluxe. Try guys. I got the original Deluxe, not the spicy. Quick disclaimer: there were actually 2 Wendy. They had 1 McDonald's bag, not 2. Quick disclaimer.
We're gonna do this one. I'll take this one. This one's a what? Actually, that one not very good.
Okay, that one stinks. I'm not.
This is for me.
Can you please add extra call?
Yep.
Yeah! So, we're not going to do sauces. We're just going to do the same sauce as last time because that's the ways. I got a pickle on my butt! Yeah! I had before, guys. It's not bad. It's a little dry.
Can you make your own pickle column? Can you make your own McDonald's call for pickle? And I think you can help me handle that.
Okay. The wrapping's pretty good.
Around the Chick-Fil-A 2.2.
2. The looks?
Oh, good.
Those are good looks. I like the looks of 3.
Okay,
The toppings, I'm sorry, your toppings are 1.5 toppings. Pretty bad topping.
I like the seasoning.
Seasoning, let's try it.
You can go ahead. That's what's up.
Not bad seasoning. Seasoning's a 1. It's not really seasoning.
It's good.
Sauce. Last time I gave my sauce 1.5, so just give it a 1.5 again. Taste. Gotta taste it some more.
It's good. That's a Chick-Fil-A rival right there. I think they just like a Chick-Fil-A sandwich. Yeah.
No?
Oh yeah. That's the #1 Chick-Fil-A right there.
You never Wendy's today now.
That's tasty. I'm telling you what. I got my
The
score.
taste.
Okay, so I need to take one. I need to have to taste. That's good sauce, guys.
Okay, that's what's up.
25. And 25.
I got 27.
My
My final score. I messed it up. I didn't do that again. 5, 6.5, 7.5, 9.
Okay, got it.
Lowest.
Okay.
You said it was the lowest.
I said it tasted like the lowest.
That's your dinner.
I know.
Okay. Wait, I forgot.
There's no pickle.
No pickles on that.
What? And the McDonald's pickles taking last place with 20.
Wow, you're harsh on it. I like that one. I gave it.
No,
That was
bad.
it's a little bit it's more Wendy's. When I got my Wendy's for 26, guys.
Okay. Also, guys, quick recommendation: if you guys are having that chicken sandwich, I recommend it with Mount Olive. Like you break up some pickle pieces and some McDonald's French fries and cider sandwich. It makes it so much better. So if you guys are having the sandwich and you have those ingredients, you can try it at home. And yeah. So that is the McDonald's chicken sandwich with pickles part. And we will see you guys with Arby's and Dairy Queen somewhere in the future. So bye. What do you want to say about the Arby's montage here for chicken sandwich?
Right here. So what do we put in the bag?
So I'm ordering the bag, guys. Meat, Kraft, turkey, chicken, roast, beef, bacon, corned beef, and ham. So those are the different types of meat at Arby's. We're shot and battered, but we're still filming. And so I guess we will see you guys with the actual taste test part. So yeah, peace. What is up, guys? We're doing the Arby's chicken sandwich.
I'm gonna pass this to you.
Oh, I controlled the sandwich. I'm so sorry. This is the bacon Swiss sandwich, not the classic. Let me take a look first.
No, not classic.
Sorry, guys. I need to open the sandwich. There it is, the bacon Swiss. That's actually Swiss cheese, the bacon Swiss.
Interesting. Arby's good. I'm passing
I'm
out.
gonna enjoy my white cheddar mac and cheese from Arby's. Very
I
good.
told them Arby's, but I'm just.
Everything from Arby's, basically.
I need you're pass out sausage as well.
Something
Get bread for
brown.
you.
Some brown thing on the side. But
Get barbecue for me. Put that down.
Let's show what that looks like.
I appreciate
The
it.
gooey, ooey white cheddar mac and cheese.
Yeah.
There's a little
That's
brown
pretty
thing.
good.
There's a little brown thing on the side, but I don't know what that
It's
is.
been a while since we've had Arby's, guys. Fantastic fries.
I'm washing my hands after all this.
Wow. Oh, I know.
Cool disclaimer, I'm gonna wash my hands after, but
I got
everyone
the
knows
sandwich.
I wash my hands. Okay, I'm gonna try it
Who's
first.
baking on the sandwich? Just here. That's
I'm trying that
they
first,
changed the
guys.
bacon.
Sounds so good.
Oh, first sandwich. One.
Looks pretty good.
So we got any pencil. Two. The blocks. What is that? I think they had to come into the house and say block.
I already rated Arby's.
Okay.
That's for a different one.
Doesn't matter.
No, Arby's is this one. Straw and arrow.
Yeah. That's weird chicken. Wrappings.
Looks what about 3. Toppings.
Looks.
3 again. Seasoning. So I just had chicken breast yourself.
That's. Oh, it's not pink. That's tomato.
Whatever. That's all I did. I've got sauce now. My first you have to try sauce when you really want to try sauce, but you probably really like taste it.
Mm-hmm.
Could you please open that ranch? I'm trying to sauce now.
You know,
That tomato, I don't like the tomato.
I'm gonna boil it
I
out.
hate tomato. No offense to tomato lovers, but I just don't like tomato. I just don't understand why people eat that and like that. I think my buns are flopped, but you know what? Doesn't matter. What Swiss cheese tastes like?
I'm gonna taste it now.
Interesting, spicy. I thought that was good.
That's a bad sauce. That is terrible sauce.
Okay.
Bacon.
I thought it was good.
I thought it was cool. I
Box
felt
was standard. Looks. I like the looks. It had a nice bun. Toppings. Well, of course we had lettuce, tomato, bacon, and Swiss cheese. So that's pretty good. Seasoning, I thought it was good.
The taste is not a 12.
Taste, I thought it was good. I gave it a 12 on taste.
You know what? The taste is not a 12, actually.
I give it a total of 27. Looks like all mine are coming in pretty close, except for like Wendy's is the low one on mine.
Well, that's pretty good for me.
20.5 with the lowest.
Ooh.
Nope. McDonald's pickles still have the lowest. 5.5.
You didn't like that, did you? I'm done.
Alright guys, so we'll see you
See you
guys
guys next time. Bye,
with the
guys.
Dairy Queen.
Hey guys, so we're doing a Dairy Queen chicken sandwich. Here it is right here. I'm also gonna try rotisserie chicken bite right here. It's kind of weird, but it's kind of grilled chicken-y.
That's right, that's what it's supposed to be.
So what are you thinking about Dairy Queen? What do you think
How much?
that happened?
It costs $4.69. Expensive.
$4.69 for a sandwich. Oh, how much does this cost? Again?
Sorry.
The bites?
$5.19.
$5.19 for this. We had a coupon for 99 cents, aka $1. So it's better be out, but so we will see you guys with the. Guys, so we have the Dairy Queen sandwich. This is the crispy chicken sandwich. We can read what's on the bag real quick. So it says crispy chicken sandwich. Crispy on the outside, happy on the inside. And it also says deluxe cheeseburger, the burger with all the something, all the links. I'm not sure what that says. Anyways, this coat. Oh no, I have to use that. Okay guys, so we're gonna open it up. I saw it! Ooh, there it is. That's a weird looking bun. That looks like Freddy. There's our chicken sandwich. Comes with lettuce, tomato, mayo, which we did not get, a chicken breast, and 2 buns. Bottom and top. Almost everyone had mayo except the pickle chicken sandwich at McDonald's and the Chick-Fil-A. So today is the big day. We get to find out who wins the challenge today as well, which we'll pause to do that after we rate on Dairy Queen.
Yeah, I'm excited to
I
see
feel like Dairy Queen's gonna be bad. The look of that tomato.
What? Okay, so pencil.
I hate tomato. I like lettuce, but I hate tomato.
You do, it's in there.
That's pretty good. I mean, it's a basic sandwich.
I don't have any ranch.
Okay, the wrapping's 1.5. It's one of those basic wrappers.
No, I can't see that pencil. I can't. It's because my hands smell like pencil sheet.
Okay, I'll get this one then.
Please, I hate that one. So what do you not even doing? Looks? That is just cheating this whole thing.
How did that look? So I'm looking at it.
Do this one then. It's short point, got a razor.
Thank you. I got this actually in first grade.
Did you rate the looks and stuff? You gotta.
No, he didn't.
Okay.
Don't like
Yeah,
the looks.
taste
The
it.
looks are not that good. Looks. Oh, I did wrapping. Oopsie. I did wrapping, which was meant to be for looks. Well, let's give the wrapping the same score as the looks then. Fair enough. Toppings. This looks really gross, guys.
The sauces though, I'll give it 2. I had the seasoning first, that's fine. This is beef chicken. Not bad.
Pretty good.
Solid. I don't think man.
On the worst part of this, everything's getting 1s and 2s right now.
Whoa, you don't
I don't
like it
know
all.
why this is a sandwich. This is terrible. What the heck? So weird.
I don't think it's good.
Not bad.
Exactly.
The taste is an 8. It's pretty bad.
I gave it a 10. That's my lowest actually of all my sandwiches.
11, 10 McDonald's,
15! 15!
Okay,
That was my
that's harsh.
score. Disgusting. Who eats that?
23.5. That's 1 point at McDonald's, Buttermilk crispy. And then,
Okay, I gotta add them up.
right.
That's 4, that's 5,
We'll go off.
8.
Washington was the after choice. Definitely 11.
11,
I'm not good.
23. Yeah, that was last place.
23.5, second to last.
Last
McDonald's,
place.
I don't know how McDonald's Buttermilk crispy ended up in last. For me, I don't know how that happened.
That was last place. It was okay, but
I don't
No,
know.
we could do better than that.
Dairy Queen discussion. So we're gonna do all the average.
I'll get to the last game.
All the average. Sorry, I need to talk like this so you can't see anything. So we're gonna do all the average scores in. Can I finish to him first?
Yeah.
I watched so. So guys, we are going to add the scores. It will take a couple minutes, but for you guys, it's just like a blink and then you're back. So we are gonna do this, and then we'll be right back with the final score. Alright guys, so we're gonna read out the scores. 6 different chicken sandwiches, 5 different places, 2 for McDonald's, 6 to first for the Radians. And last place, aka 6th place, we have Dairy Queen with an average score of 20.5. But the sandwich did cost $4.69, if you want a quick disclaimer there. In second to last place, aka 5th, we have McDonald's Pickle Sandwich with an average score of 23.9. Excuse me. We were one of the first people to actually get that sandwich, possibly. Let me take a look here. Ooh, this one's really close, but it's not a tie. It's super close though. In the middle of the, there are actually 2 middle of the bunch, just so everyone knows, but one of the middles of the bunch, again, is actually Arby's Bacon Swiss with an average score of 24.3. You cannot believe what the next person just got. This is so close here. In the other middle of the bunch, we have, well, actually, the last one was 4th, and this one's 3rd. We have McDonald's Crispy Chicken Sandwich with an average of 24.5. It lost out by 0.2 against Arby's. That's one of the closest we've ever had. That's actually not a tie. Coming in second place. So after this, you guys will know the winner. Coming in second place. Really close. Coming in second place. Almost first. You did a great job. Wendy's with the average score of 25.3. And our winner is, in first place, the defending champ against them all, Chick-Fil-A! Chick-Fil-A! With 26.1. 26.1. Chick-Fil-A, you're a winner. You did a great job, and we will see you guys in the next Who Makes the Best. See ya.